Have you ever seen a butterfly float through the air and wondered where it came from? Today, we are going to explore the amazing life of butterflies and why they are so important. A tiny egg sits on a leaf until pop! Out wiggles a hungry caterpillar. He's a munching machine, eating so much that he literally bursts out of his old skin to grow a brand new suit. He's growing bigger by the second. Forget cocoons, butterflies build a chrysalis. Inside, the caterpillar is now called a pupa. It's busy in there, magically changing from a crawler into a flyer. Butterflies sip sweet nectar for high-flying energy. As they flutter from flower to flower, they carry pollen along for the ride. This helps plants grow brand new seeds, making butterflies super-powered pollinators. Some butterflies play hide-and-seek using camouflage to blend in. Others pop with bright colors to shout a warning, "Stop! I taste gross." It's their way of telling predators to find a different snack. Milkweed has a secret weapon, poisonous sap. When caterpillars munch it, they soak up the poison, making them a totally yucky snack. Predators take one bite and say no thanks, helping these butterflies stay safe and sound. From tiny eggs to super-powered pollinators, butterflies are the garden's best helpers. They keep our whole world growing, one flutter at a time.